it's recording. Not you. Now he might does it. He does do that. I don't know if you'll get him to do that or not. I should stop making you laugh when you try to drink your tea.
Please do that.
I'm so sorry, Daddy. You should hear him when he does it. It's so cute. My battery's going dead. Sunshine.
Sunshine. He's a pretty boy.
You okay, Patti? I'm so sorry. I didn't even make you laugh. Waka walk. That's millet seed. Didn't you ever have millet seed before? Want to try it? No, you don't want to try it? You don't have to. No, you just like them peanuts.
She's pretty good. It's a millet seed. Try it. Try it.
No.
Mmm.
See how long that took? Too long. If you wait too long, that's what this guy says on that form. I'm learning so much there. It's like their body language tells you everything. You just gotta learn how to read it.
You're a silly birdie.
See my battery light blinking. It's gonna go off in a minute. I'm just turning it off for now.
What's Taffy doing, Sunshine? What's Taffy doing, Sunshine? This is your second time out, and you've been out about 15 minutes now. What a big boy you are. What a big boy you are. What's that? What's what? It's a new house. Look at all the neat things you're going to get to explore. What you thinking about, huh? Where you going to go first? Yeah. See, I want to be able to film him the first time I do get him to step up. And he's sitting there with one paw. He's amazing. He's adapting faster than I thought he might. And he's been through a lot of trauma. That foot had to be terrible trauma for him. He's a pretty boy. He's a pretty boy. You're my sunshine. Hello? Hallelujah. What you looking at? Huh? You gonna go back in? No, not quite yet. It's a lot to explore and check out, huh?
Well, okay, I'll know when it goes down.
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. How many pickled peppers did Peter Piper pick? Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers.
Sunshine on my shoulders makes me happy. Taffy by my side makes me smile. Jesus in my heart keeps me singing. And I hope nobody ever hears this video. You're gonna tell him. You better not tell on me, Sunshine. This is just a secret between you and I. You're gonna tell.
He's gonna tell.
He said you don't tell. You can't tell on me. Would you tell? You tell. You're a silly boy. Are you a silly boy?
Sunshine, are you gonna sing a song? Come on, sing a song for Patti. Can you sing I love you? Can you say I love you? You're such a pretty boy.
Can I call you Lovey? Can you be my secret Lovey? Sunshine. Love you.
Say, I love you. I love you.
Wow.